Hey guys, Heather Klontmaker with At Home Realty here. I am coming to you today from 13150 Thistlewood Lane. This is my new listing on the north side of Holland. I tried a live a couple minutes ago and somebody came in the open house, so I may have to jump off here quick. That's just a warning. We've had a very busy open house so far today, but I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek. So let me take you on through. Gotta switch it around here. Okay, here we go, guys. So this home has an awesome open concept, as you can tell. We have the dining, kitchen, living room all adjoining. One of my favorite things about this house is the front porch. We can kind of see it from here a little bit. So it has a nice big front porch, which would be wonderful for sitting out, having your coffee, just, hanging out in the yard. Tons of natural light. The ceilings in here are vaulted, and I'll show you from the other direction here too, but we have vaulted ceilings, tons of windows, and skylights, 2 of them. So there is no shortage of natural light in this house. Over here we have the kitchen with a large bar area. It looks like you could fit about 3 stools, I believe. And if you are thinking about this house, I'm going to be here till 1. I have lots of coffee, water, donuts left, so I would love to see you here. But here we are with the kitchen, tons of cabinetry space. We have a lot of cupboards here for all of your storage, and the island has some cabinetry space as well. Here you have the dining area. It's right here on the main floor, and then a slider to go out to the nice sized backyard. Try to show you as much as I can here. Do a little pan over. I know it can be a little shaky with the camera here, but that's what the backyard is like. Nice big deck. And I'm gonna take you guys on upstairs. So this is a tray level. You have the opportunity to go up or down. So we're gonna go up first. That's where our master is. So we're gonna head upstairs to the master first of all. So again, lots of natural light. I know it kind of can come across a little blurry because of the lighting on camera, but nice big bedroom. Windows on 2 sides. So if you like natural light, this house is awesome for that. Here is the walk-in closet. So it is very nice size. You can kind of see by the floor more than anything. But large walk-in closet here in this bedroom. And then over here next door, we have one of the secondary bedrooms. So again, nice bright window, nice size room, awesome for a secondary bedroom. Over here, we have one of 2 full bathrooms. So we have the vanity here, lots of storage space with that vanity, large mirror, and a shower tub combo. Tile floors in there, and just a really nice size bathroom for this home. Down here on the lower level, there are 2 more bedrooms, a full bath with laundry, and a bonus nook. And I'm going to stop my tour right there because I'm thinking that some more people are going to be coming in here, and I don't want to be on the Facebook Live while I have guests coming in. But if you are looking for a home, or if you know anyone, friends, family that are looking for a home on the north side of Holland, this one is awesome. It's priced really well at $199.9. 4-bed, 2-bath, open concept, checks off a lot of the things on most people's list. So feel free to pop on over today until 1, or give me a call at 616-610-9948, and I'd be happy to take you through anytime. Also, if you do have any friends, neighbors, coworkers, family, anyone who's looking, feel free to tag them in the comments below. Right below, right here, you can tag them, and I'd be happy to follow up with them to see if this is a house that could fit for them. Thanks, guys. I hope you have an awesome Saturday and a great rest of your weekend. Bye.